Ladies, Paraguay and India, please step forward. Only one of you is about to become Miss Universe. If for any reason the winner is unable to fulfill her duties, the first runner-up will take her place. Good luck to both of you. And the new Miss Universe is India. Take your first walk as Miss Universe. The crown has been passed. There is a new Miss Universe.
What an amazing night with so many magical moments.
It's such an honor for all of us to be a part of this. Congratulations.
Thank you to all of our contestants, to all of our selection panel, and especially thanks to all of you, our fans at home.
Good
Good night, everybody.